Looks like DJI's not done surprising us. New leaked images, courtesy of Igor Bogdanov, just gave us a better look at the upcoming DJI Osmo 360 kits. While we're still waiting on confirmed specs, yes, still no word on the sensor size, these renders reveal what's likely inside the box, and it's worth a closer look. There appear to be two kits, a standard version and a creator combo. The standard kit includes the camera, a black rubber lens cap, one battery, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a microfiber cloth, and a compact carrying pouch with the Osmo logo. A detail worth noting? The silver pins at the bottom of the camera likely serve as electrical connectors for accessories, pointing toward a modular design, much like DJI's other action cams. The creator combo adds more for serious shooters. 2 extra batteries, 3 total, a multi-battery charger, an extension rod, and a magnetic mount with a cold shoe. There's also a 2-prong mount, hinting at compatibility with existing DJI action camera accessories. Also spotted, a rectangular charging case that resembles the Osmo Action's battery pack. As for the sensor size, rumors still suggest 1/1.3 inches, but nothing's confirmed yet. DJI is also rumored to announce the DJI Osmo Nano and the DJI Mic 3. The pricing of the DJI Osmo 360 is expected to be between $550 to $600. This is an estimated price. The main competitors of the DJI Osmo 360 camera are the Insta360 X5, which was launched in April 2025 and offers 8K video recording. Have you seen that short clip floating around of people casually using what looks like the DJI Osmo 360? It feels more like a planned leak than a random moment. The person filming is way too close. There's also a leaked image making the rounds, adding fuel to the fire. He's seen early footage and says the image quality smokes the Insta360 X5. That's a bold claim. Could DJI finally take the 360 crown from Insta360? We'll find out in just a few weeks. These aren't grainy photos either. We're talking sharp testing images that show off a compact design, similar to the GoPro Max, with large rounded lenses ready for immersive 360-degree capture. Here's where it gets really interesting. Teardown shots reveal the Osmo 360 uses a clever 45-degree mirror trick, just like the Insta360 X3. This mirror redirects light to the sensor, saving space and allowing DJI to fit powerful internals into a sleek body. It's high-tech camera Tetris. The user manual confirms full DJI Mimo app integration, a 1950 mAh battery, same as the Osmo Action 5 Pro, 30-watt USB-C charging, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and both physical and touchscreen controls. There's also support for a range of accessories. But, plot twist, tipster Jasper Ellens says there's no sign of retail movement yet. No prototypes, no reseller chatter. With trade tensions still looming, this camera might be stuck in limbo. Still, this is DJI's clearest signal yet. They're gunning for the 360 space. Now the big question, are they too late? Let's talk about other specs and features. DJI is already a big player in the action camera realm, and with the introduction of 360 cameras, DJI is likely to add an immersive capturing experience to its impressive lineup, according to the newly leaked schematics and renderings. We get a decent idea of what the upcoming action camera from DJI will look like. Also, we have found some more intriguing details about the Osmo 360, which surely seems bad news for the delayed GoPro Max 2. So, in our video today, we will talk about the design, give you an overall idea about the specifications. Our photo rumors shared the first details about the Osmo 360 OMX, along with a detailed illustration of the camera. Later on, Hakushi, who had previously made precise size comparisons of unreleased DJI drones, visualized the camera based on leaked patterns and sketches from the image. We can see the dual-lens design with a compact form factor and could look like the unreleased GoPro Max 2, to give you a more precise idea. Hakushi also shared a size comparison with the Insta360 X4 and current DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The form factor looks quite ideal. Since most of us will be using it on the move, there will be a front-facing display to show what's being captured. You will also find a simple control interface at the front, which appears to be quick settings. The power button remains on one side, as we have seen on regular Osmo action cameras. But seeing the rendered image, I felt like the screen should have been a bit larger for better viewing. Besides, I see no mounting hook from the images, which is a bummer. The magic stick from Insta360 is what makes their 360 camera so exciting. The good thing is that DJI kept the action camera much more compact than most 360 cameras available in the market. However, the schematics also revealed two antennas on both sides, which shows DJI is focused on delivering stable wireless connectivity for seamless file transfer. And also for streaming. Further details about the Osmo 360 were shared by Photo Rumors as they happened to dig out the FCC listing for the camera. It gives us an idea of when this new 360 camera might hit the market. The Osmo 360 is referred to as the OQ1, and you can see the patent has been filled by DJI Osmo Technologies. The camera has already been tested within the first week of September. Most importantly, we all know that the FCC listing appears just before the product is about to launch. And since the Osmo 360 has already got the issue date, that means the release date is pretty near. We expect this camera to be released ahead of the holiday shopping season. At the end of November, DJI has produced great quality cameras over the years. Whether it's for their drones or action cameras themselves, we believe this new 360 action camera from DJI will also be a great deal, making the competitors run for their money. Would you prefer a 360 action camera from DJI over Insta360 or GoPro? What features do you expect from the Osmo 360? Throw all your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Work in progress. Mauro Tandoi has just dropped a cryptic teaser that's already shaking up the drone world. In a short video captioned Gemini 5 Pro, Work in Progress Smiley, we catch a glimpse of what could be DJI's next game-changing release. While nothing is confirmed, the sleek design and advanced form hint at a significant leap from the Mini 4 Pro. Is this a new sensor, better obstacle avoidance, or maybe an entirely new flight system? Whatever it is, the Mini 5 Pro might just redefine what's possible in an ultralight drone. Let's dive into the details. The clip shows a mountain biker with the Mini 5 Pro on the ground. No massive guards, just sleek folding props and robust vented motors that hint at better cooling and performance. It's the design we were all hoping for. And here's the best part. Jasper Ellens via Drone XL has confirmed the launch date, August 7th, 2025. That's just weeks away, and it's landing a month earlier than anyone expected. Let the countdown begin. Other highlights include a potentially larger 1-inch sensor for better low-light performance. Could the DJI Mini 5 Pro really offer nearly 1 hour of flight time on a single battery? A newly leaked FCC certification label says, yes. And it's not just a small upgrade, it's a massive leap forward. According to the label submitted by DJI, the new drone will feature a 4,680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 watt-hours, a major jump over what we saw in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Both of those drones already impressed with extended battery options, but this takes things to a whole new level. The leak came via an image posted on social platform X, and it shows an official DJI drone label, something typically submitted for regulatory certification. It includes key specs like model ID, regulatory approval numbers, and, most importantly, battery details. Since it's tied to the FCC, Federal Communications Commission, in the US, this isn't a random guess. It's official paperwork that validates the existence of the drone and its powerful battery. And here's the kicker. With this kind of battery capacity, 50 to 55 minutes of flight time now seems realistic, possibly even with fast charging included. DJI might be getting ready to redefine what we expect from an ultralight drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially on the radar. Leaked images, field testing footage, and inside info from trusted sources confirm it. DJI is breaking new ground with the first ever 5th-generation drone in their lineup, surpassing even the legendary Phantom series. And at the end of the video, we'll talk about the expected price and release date, so stick around. Let's kick things off with the biggest highlight: the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch image sensor, a massive upgrade that brings high-end performance to a sub-250-gram drone. This sensor promises superior low-light performance, better dynamic range, and overall sharper, cleaner images. The camera module is also larger and more exposed, missing the typical side flaps that protected previous mini gimbals. Why? Likely to allow for full 360-degree rotation, similar to what we saw on the Mavic 4 and the Osmo Pocket. This opens up new possibilities for cinematic motion and creative shot angles. The gimbal design seems to be more advanced and less restricted. Expect smoother, more versatile camera movement. On the sensor front, DJI is stepping up the game. The Mini 5 Pro introduces a front-facing LR sensor, part of DJI's 3D infrared sensing system, previously seen in the Mavic 4 and Air 3S. It's expected to detect obstacles up to 25 meters away with a 60-degree field of view, and it's been optimized for low-light environments too. You'll also notice larger sensor bulges on the chassis. These were likely expanded to fit the new LAR system without compromising the gimbal's movement range. Under the hood, the Mini 5 Pro is bringing some serious power. We're talking about more powerful motors, complete with ventilation openings, a first for the Mini line. This could mean better performance in wind and higher payload capacity. DJI is also finally introducing quick-release propellers, no more tiny screws, and yes, it's still lightweight and foldable, staying true to the Mini series portable DNA. As for storage, 32 gigabytes of built-in internal memory is expected. Great for backup when you forget your micro SD card. Battery life is getting a noticeable boost too. The standard battery is rumored to offer up to 45 minutes of flight time, and if DJI releases a Plus battery, we could be looking at over 50 minutes in the air. That's a major leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute base time. The Mini 5 Pro will use the O4 transmission system, giving it a range of up to 20 kilometers. That's the same as the Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro, still among the best in the industry. It's also expected to be compatible with the RC2 controller, RC-N3, motion controller, and DJI Goggles 3 or N3 for FPV lovers. However, rumors suggest the RC track has been cancelled, at least for now. DJI may also add some futuristic touches like voice command control, similar to what we've seen in the DJI Neo, and in-app audio recording, perfect for vloggers and content creators. There's also talk of a dedicated flight mode button, so you can trigger pre-programmed shots even without a remote controller. Now for the big questions. When is it coming and how much will it cost? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025. That aligns with field testing footage and inside info from drone leakers like Jasper Ellens and Hakasushi. As for pricing, the base version, RC-N2 controller, 1 battery, is expected to start at around $850. The Fly More combo, which includes the RC2 controller with a built-in screen, could reach up to $1,200. That positions it nicely between the Mini 4 Pro, $759, and the Air 3S, $1,099. So if DJI really nails the 360-degree gimbal and 1-inch sensor on a sub-250-gram drone, what kind of shots would you try first? Is the Mini 5 Pro shaping up to be the best sub-250-gram drone yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJI updates as we get closer to launch.